we jump into the video, check out this kinging gear, kinging on the shirt, kinging on the booty. The link will be in my description, so check it out. It's gonna be an Instagram page if you wanna rock the kinging gear. But let's get to the video. What's good, YouTube? It's Tia Marie and I'm back with another video. I am sorry that I am posting so late. I have been waiting for this package to come, and this is Beauty Forever hair, straight off of the Amazon truck. Oops, sorry. And we're going to unbox and install. Oh, this is cute. For your forever beauty. Okay. This is cute. And then it gives you how to wash the wig, how to maintain the wig. This is a cute box. I like that one. Okay, this wig is curly virgin human hair, Brazilian, pre-plucked with baby hairs, 130 density, and I got 14 inches. So let's see what it do. Y'all, this is pretty. Oh, this is pretty. I'm excited. I'm gonna put the picture that's up on Amazon, and I know that they use like the same pictures for almost every company, but this, y'all, this look good. I'm not even gonna lie. And I've been seeing them all over Instagram, and people are like talking in the comments like, oh my god, I think the hair is gonna be trash, yada yada yada. So here we are trying it out today. Wow, they gave me a lot of goodies in the box, actually. A pair of lashes that I probably won't use, but this is cute. It's like a keychain or something. Oh my god, and it's Beauty Forever. That's cute. That is freaking cute, man. And then a black wig cap. Cannot use that. Beauty Forever. I think this is just a list of everything that they have. Customer share. Yeah, return and exchange. Okay, so I'm ready to put this wig on. We'll be right back. Oh, before I put the wig on, just so you guys can see parting space, not really that far back, but it's doable. And then a couple clips, and then of course an adjustable band at the back. Y'all see that? My forehead a little shiny because got water on it, but I know y'all see that. This right here looks so good. It looks so good. For me to have not touched it, I didn't bleach any knots. I just threw this wig on. And the hair is so soft. Now, granted, I did see like a little bit of red strings. Not strings, but strands of hair. But this hair is soft. This is my favorite wig as of right now. I'm actually gonna wet it to see how it does. Y'all, this don't look good though. I feel like I look good. And if I look good, you can look good too. Oh, but I'll be right back with it wet and we're gonna go from there. All right, as you can see, it's kind of like different lengths. Like, I'm gonna have to cut this, and I don't understand why it's like that. Like, that's weird. That looks terrible. You couldn't tell really when it was big and poofy, but now that I've wet it. And then the shedding, I did get a little bit of shedding, like a little ball. Here it is. Can you see that? Bad. Yeah, a little bit of shedding. The hair is different lengths, but only right here. But other than that, oh, and the little red streaks, I saw a little bit of that. But other than that, I still do like the hair. I'm gonna keep it installed to get like a full review. I'm probably gonna straighten it and just do all the things you can do to hair to really get a real review. If you guys want to see how I straighten it, let me know in the comments and I'll actually post it and make a video about it. But other than that, thank you for watching my video. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Please and thank you. And I will see you shortly.